how you can add a green screen overlay in CapCut PC. So for example, I'm going to select the video and I'm going to prepare green screen. Just add to the right, put on top other clip, which is this green screen overlay, can resize, and you can remove the background. Cut out, select chroma key, select color picker, and select the green color just for the strength and the shadow to the prime perfect. And you can go to basic and select mode plane. So that's it. Yeah, I think this video is especially for those of you who are using CapCut PC for the first time. I hope this tutorial was helpful for you guys. Don't forget to like, comment, share, and also subscribe. If you have any questions,